What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we're going to be talking about NIO. We're going to do a technical analysis, just talking about what it's been doing today and just my overall thought process on this. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Let's get right into this technical analysis. Now, NIO, what a crazy morning it had. First, it looked like we were bullish. It looked like that we were pushing up and that today was going to be a green day. So we got up this morning and we pushed all the way up to 39.39. And guess what? That was literally the top of my box. That was the spot I was telling you that you have to watch out for, because sellers were here before and today sellers showed up again. Now, a side note is that we did push down to the bottom of my box right at 35.64, around that area, but then we bounced right up. So we're staying along in this box right here, which is good. Now, bullish above for the moment, breaking above 39.39. That's the start of our reversal. Bearish obviously below if we get below 35.64. Now, if you didn't watch my video from yesterday, I drew out the expected move. So this is what we're working with this week. We have the top of this expected move at 43.70, 43.60. The bottom of this move around $32, $32.60. So we have this move right now, and we're still in between it. We haven't gotten crazy. It is just the first of the week, so we'll just have to see where we're going. Now, what I'm looking for on NIO is hopefully this week we start to form that base that we've been talking about. So in order to form that base, we have to consolidate. So when we consolidate, there's either no buying pressure and there's no selling pressure. So you just stay flat. That's what causes that base. The base allows buyers to start to come in, and then hopefully we start pushing up. So what I'm looking for today to close is at least stay at least above 35.64. Now we're down $1.25 today. We were up to $39. So either way you look at it, we are down today. Now we may see an afternoon pop. It's 1:30 this local time here, so we may see an afternoon pop. Power hour may come in and we may push back up to 39.39. If we do, great, amazing. That's great to see. But our main focus today, tomorrow, the rest of the week is just consolidation or hopefully a push up. So if we do start to get that reversal here, we start to cover around. So right now we obviously had that downtrend, right? The downtrend still is intact, but what we can do is we can start to cover around. Once we start covering around, that's how we start our road to recovery. Now NIO, it has a long ways to go. Now a lot of people are asking me, what's my prediction on the end of the year? Do you think NIO can ever return back to $60, $70? What do you think is going to happen? Well, we have to focus one step at a time, guys. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't give out those predictions. I don't like giving out those predictions, because imagine me giving out that prediction right here before the drop even happened. I could have said NIO's going to $90 and bam. And then it does this over the next 3 to 4 weeks. So guys, that's why I do not like giving out long predictions like that. Now I will give out predictions when it goes to short term, because it's easier to read. But when you talk about year out, there's so much to factor in. A lot of things can happen, and as you guys can see, who would ever thought NIO would have felt this much? People were thinking probably NIO's going to $90, but then this happened and it just throws all of your plan into a wrench. So what I want to focus on first is getting above 39.39. We got rejected today. We had that rejection today. So the next time we push up to it, we really need to get above it. Guys, we really need to get above it, and buyers need to show up to this area. That's why we have this candle wick right here, because it shows you that sellers were there. Sellers were present and they weren't able to get the price above that. Now, once we get above 39.39, great, amazing. Then we can start that trend reversal. But once we get above 39.39, that does not mean that we're out of the woods yet, by any means. No. Ultimately, for me to feel comfortable, I want us to get back above 48.31. So we have to push up here, get back above 48.31. Even then, we're still in that downtrend, because we still haven't got past these last highs right here. So really, guys, in order for us to break out of this downtrend, we have to get above this last high right here, which is at $59. We have to get above $59 in order for us to technically start that reversal and get out of that downtrend. So as you guys can see, we're at 36.84 at the time of this recording right now. So we still have a huge way to go. We still have a lot of ways to go before we start that reversal. But if we're able to form that base, like I mentioned in the earlier parts of this video, then we can start that confirmation and start that reversal. So basically, to sum everything up, guys, in this video, what I'm looking for is just to at least hold 35.64. We need to hold that area. We do not need to break that. And then ultimately getting above 39.39. That's what I'm looking at. That's my game plan for NIO. So those are the two areas that either you need to write down, put it on your chart, that you need to look for. And once again, keep in mind the expected move. We have the bottom of the expected move around 32.60, top of the move around 43.50. So those are 4 numbers you need to keep in mind. I know it's a lot, but other than that, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button, guys, and I will see you all in the next video.